Ecuador, November. Bananas are, in terms of volume, the greatest export commodity and are grown all year round. Millions of banana trees embellish the landscape, and the vast majority of this sweet fruit is sold abroad, primarily in the US and in Europe. Ecuador is among the world's largest producers of bananas. It takes 6 months for a banana plant to reach its full height, which can be between 4 to 15 meters. It is a perennial plant and will bloom and bear fruit the first year. This tree has been cut back, and we can see the small new shoot next to its mother and grandmother. Generally, the maturity level of a banana is divided into 7 stages. All green, the way a banana looks when it is picked and transported. Light green, the very first change of color takes place during the ripening process at the importers. Half and half, the recommended stage when the banana arrives at the supermarket. More yellow than green, the stage at which the banana should be placed in a retail display. Yellow with green tips, the stage when consumers prefer to buy bananas. Full yellow, the stage when bananas taste best. Yellow flecked with brown spots, the stage when the banana has a sweet taste and is excellent for cooking, for say, banana bread. At this plantation in Ecuador, organic bananas are produced. They use no chemicals here. An extensive rail system makes it possible to transport the newly harvested bunches of bananas in an easy and gentle way. In this plantation alone, the rail system covers more than 50 kilometers. Bananas are produced in very much the same way all over the world. After the bananas have been harvested, they are sent to the packaging station, where the bunches are cut from the stems. They are then put into tubs filled with a mixture of water and ozone to be checked for physical damage, and defective bananas are taken out to be sold to, say, manufacturers of banana powder, which can be used in milkshakes, cakes and similar products. Now small clusters of good bananas are cut off the big bunches so that they look like the ones we find in the supermarket. Again they are washed, this time to wash off the latex oozing out of the crown after the cut. The bananas are weighed and placed on a conveyor belt. After the bananas have been classified, they are packaged in boxes lined with plastic bags. The air is sucked out of the plastic bags to create a vacuum and delay the ripening process. As bananas are relatively inexpensive, only few orchards have invested in pre-cooling chambers. Instead, the production is coordinated in such a way that, right after packaging, the bananas are stuffed into a reefer container to be cooled as quickly as possible.